Hey guys, wanted to show you the headliner shelf that we have. It is formed out of 1/8" aluminum. It's got this face right here, has L-track cutouts if you've got any of these L-track hooks or the loops, if you've got something to clip into those guys. There's an edge right here as well. Adds a lot of strength to this thing. You can see pretty strong. This is a great area for stuffing soft things that kind of pinches back there with the headliner shelf. So sleeping bags, pillows, duffel bags, blankets, towels, super good for soft stuff, backpacks. A great use of kind of a dead space without this shelf. Really, it's easier in and out, but really this is kind of a wasted space for storage. And you guys know how valuable storage is in these vans. You got to find it wherever you can. As far as in and out, once you get your seats turned around, if you got swivels, it's still plenty of room in here coming in and out. You're not gonna hit your head. When you're turned around this way, facing the driver, same kind of thing. You can easily pass back through without bumping your head on here. Occasionally you will, but they're pretty deep. It goes all the way back in here, and it is tight up against the headliner shelf, so no worry about stuff falling down the backside of that. You still get access to your stock visor shelf that's in here. There's just a couple brackets that bolt in to the hardware right here, and no real special tools, no drilling or anything. It's pretty simple to get it bolted in. Besides that, if you got some questions or curious about how it fits or a unique situation in your van, just hit us up at customer service. We'd love to chat and help you guys out.